Okay guys, welcome back. This time really nice opening, the Caro-Kann or Caro-Kann, I don't know how it's pronounced. It is pronounced. So this is the opening that I have some problems with, even though I win a lot of games in it, but I don't know the plans, how to proceed in some positions, but here we are going to learn. I'm going to learn with you and you are going to learn with me. Okay, so this is the basic position, the base position of this opening, and now the book says and recommends that we take here. So there is a lot of ways to play this. A lot of players play e5, but we are gonna take, and we are going to put the bishop on d3. So this is a really nice move because it stops black from developing his bishop on this diagonal, and in a lot of variations, actually black is developing and wants to develop here, but now he is going to get confused, and you are gonna win probably. So bishop d3, knight c6, and we are going to start immediately to show some side variations. Okay, let's say he plays another move, knight f6, c3, bishop g4, queen b3, and queen c7. So this is interesting way to play because black is trying to stop white from playing bishop f4, and in 99% of time we play this move. But now if he tries to stop us, he is actually going to lose a pawn. How? By playing h3. And now after this move, let's see first this move. If he plays bishop d7, we develop the knight, e6, castle, and followed by bishop g5 and knight here, and we are going to have a really nice position. And if instead he plays natural move, we play g4 and g5 and kick this knight. And actually, wait a second, we have to first take here, and now g5. Let's say knight f to d7, we take the pawn, knight c6, bishop e3, e6, queen f3, bishop e7, knight to d2, castle, and h4. And we have a strong attack here. This is really interesting position, and yeah, this actually happened to me, and I got a really good game out of this. So this is if black tries to stop you from playing bishop f4. Okay, so if he doesn't try to stop you and goes into the main line, we are going to here play bishop f4, and now black has three good moves here. Bishop Wait a second. Actually here we play c3. c3 and now he has 3 different moves. I got confused, sorry. Because we have to protect this pawn. And now he can play, and after knight f6, bishop f4, and now he has 3 good moves, and the best one and one that you're gonna see 98% of the time is bishop g4, after which you go queen b3, attacking the pawn. And here black has also three good ways, 3 possible decent ways, I guess, to respond. First one is queen c8, develop, protect, and maybe give a little bit more support to this, to the bishop. Knight e2, e6, knight g to f3, bishop e7, castle, castle, and knight e5. Really thematic actually move. In this opening, knight a lot of time goes to e5. Okay, so here let's see what black can do. Black can retreat this bishop or take this knight. Let's see what happens after bishop h5, rook a to e1. Also thematic move, because we want this rook to stay here and push this pawn. Because if we push this pawn here and here, we're gonna open some lines for our bishop. And also, this rook is gonna get active, maybe go here and here, and yeah, we have a really nice attack here. So rook a to e1, and now knight takes, bishop takes. And also this move is also interesting, you can try it, but let's see this move, bishop takes, and bishop g6. We take, and this is the main position of the variation. Now also really thematic and important move, queen d1. So queen, actually we have the only place where we can attack is king side. So the queen was not doing anything here, maybe putting the pressure on this pawn, but that's not important. Much more important is to get your forces on the king side and attack. So queen d1, b5. This is also the standard plan for black, to advance these pawns and attack our pawn chain. And now rook e3. Rook e3, not only preparing to attack here, but also protecting this pawn. After maybe he goes b4. a5, b4. Okay, a5. Okay, let's see what happens if he plays knight d7. After knight d7, we save the bishop. b4, takes, takes. And a3, bishop takes, queen takes. So here we have an advantage because we can control the c file, so this is good for us. let's see, a5, h4. We are going for an attack. b4, rook h3. So rook h3 is actually a theoretical novelty, I think, by Roman Djighashvili, and many times g4 was played here, but here we have theoretical novelty. Let's see what happens. Queen a6, h5, sacrificing the pawn, knight takes, queen g4. Okay, this looks interesting. So we are threatening to take here and give a checkmate. Really interesting. Bishop f6, takes, and queen h4, threatening mate. I think this is the only way to stop it. Actually, yeah, I think this is the only way to stop the mate. And now we play g4. So here it is saying that white is going to win a piece and the game. So that's it for this video. We're gonna continue in the next video. This variation, this really interesting, at least to me, variation. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.